Okay, here's the second page, starting with number 9 of the Unit 6 Study Guide Answer Key. So the directions say graph the following coordinates on the graph provided and label the letter given. Name the quadrant or axis each point lies on. So just a reminder, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. All right, -7, 5 for A. So we're going to go back to -7 and then up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's our A right there. It is in quadrant 2. B is -3, -4. So back 1, 2, 3, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our B, and it is in quadrant 3. 4, 9, so we're going to the right 4 and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's our C, and that's in quadrant 1. -2, -10, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our D, and it is in quadrant 3. 0, -2. 0 means we don't go right to left at all. Go down to -2, and you can see we are on the y-axis. 7, -5. +7, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's our F. Oops, I forgot to label E. Sorry about that. F, and you can see for F we are in quadrant 4. And finally 6, 0, over to 6. Don't go up or down at all. There's our G, and you can see we're on the x-axis for that one. Okay, number 10 says, reflect point A across the x-axis, label it H, and list the new coordinates. So find point A first of all. It's on line 5 of the y-axis, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units to the left. So we are going to follow line 5 and go 7 units to the right for the reflection across the, x-axis, my apologies. We are on line -7 and we are up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to stay on -7 and go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to reflect across the x-axis, not the y-axis. And so we're going to label that point H, and our new coordinates then would be -7 and then -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -7, -5 are our new coordinates. Reflecting B across the y-axis. So we're going to find B first of all. Here's B. We're reflecting across the y-axis, so this way. It is on the -4 line, and it's 1, 2, 3 units away. So we're going to stay on that -4 line and go 1, 2, 3 units to the other side of the y-axis, and we're going to label that I. And our new coordinates then would be 3, -1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty. We're going to fill in the following table using the linear equation and then graph it and draw a line with arrows. We can use our calculators on this. Alright, so my rule is y equals x plus 5. So we're going to take our -4 and add 5. So again, plugging into my calculator, -4 plus 5. Of course whoops, that's not right at all. Let's try that again. -4 plus 5, and then we get our 1. All right. -1 plus 5 would give us a +4. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, we're going to graph those points. These are now ordered pairs. Remember that the first number is the x and the second number is the y. So we're going to go right or left first and then up or down. -4, 1. There's our first point. -1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second point. 0 and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 8, over 3 at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5, 10, over to 5 up 1, 2, 3, 4, Where's our 10 there? All the way at the top, isn't it? Okay. All right, and then we take a straight edge and line our points up carefully. Put a line in there and cap it off with arrows. All right, so that's our first one. Next one. Y equals 2x minus 2 for negative 4. So that is 2, again, using a calculator. We've got 2 times negative 4 equals minus 2. And so we see that we are at a negative 10 there. 2 times negative 1, and then equals minus 2. You can see we're at a negative 4 there. 2 times 0 is 0, minus 2, give us a minus 2. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10, minus 2 is 8. All right, so now we've got our ordered pairs in there. These are our ordered pairs. And we are going to graph them. So negative 4, negative 10, over to negative 4, down to negative 10. Negative 1, negative 4. Two, 3, 4. Sometimes those numbers aren't right on the lines. 0, negative 2. Over 3, up 4. And over 5, up 8. If your points don't line up to make a straight line, you know you did something wrong. You graphed one of your points wrong or did something wrong in your math over there. All right, there you go, guys. That is page 2 of your video notes, and tune into the next video for page 3.